Right, the bearing puller was, I'm trying to put my finger over the microphone, the bearing puller was right next to me. So that's a bearing puller. What you do with it is that goes over there, you wind it down. Basically these, hang on, I'll try and show you, I'll just bear with me a sec. Right. Right. Back. Right. Looks like a space rocket now. Okay. All that fits on there. That winds down. As you can probably see, this bearing puller isn't long enough to pull the bearing. But what happens, and just use your imagination here, is that hooks under there and they hook under there. And as you tighten that up, what happens is that screw's been tightened up and it pulls the bearing upwards. It takes the bearing off. So that's how you replace the bearing. There's the bearing puller. Now to put them back on is a whole other process. There's various ways of doing it. Idea of a bench press, bearing press, but we haven't got one. But there are various things that I mention on the website, and yeah, that'll do for now. So that's what you see inside an induction motor: bearing, rotor, stator, connection box. Okay, right, cheers. All right, see you again. Bye.